What's wrong? You want on the couch? Huh? Hey, don't do that. No. Hey, stop. You're too little. You can't jump on the couch. No. Go sit down. Go play with your toys. Fine, come on. Quit trying to bite me. Get away.